Alright, this is Thursday, I believe the 4th or 5th of June. Finished the last little section of wall on my 40,000 square foot factory building. All said and done, it took 140 gallons of paint. I got 10 gallons left, and I've got another old man cave building right here by the factory, and I'll take that 10-gallon little metal building and I'll spray it. While we had everything hooked up and spraying, went ahead and finished this wall, sprayed the gutters. Before, this was the first wall we did on day one, and we didn't paint the gutters. We kind of sort of painted them, so we went ahead and did it right. So everything pretty. This one section where the old gutter was, that's a shadow there. But right beside the shadow, hit that with a second coat. Looks better. So this one's all done. Let me get back to my pickup. I've got the dollar figure for the 140 gallons of Sherwin super paint. Definitely looks a lot better painted. Time wise, between all the employees and me, scraping and prepping and then painting, we're right at 180 man hours. Loaded cost is about 15 bucks an hour. If somebody wants to do the math, I'll let you. All I know is a hell of a lot less than the quote price of 32 grand. So don't listen to the radio. Hold on a minute. So you won't be able to see it. 140 gallons of the Sherwin was $4,574.36. Calendar wise is 5 weeks, because we had weather delays, winds were wrong, then we had production requirements at the factory. But it's done, finally. It made all the difference in the world in the appearance of the building. Let me drive around here and I'll show you that little building I'm going to paint. Me and Jurda will do it on the weekend. That one has to be pressure washed to get the chalk off. We're dry. Oh, a little squash patch over here. We picked 120 pound, and my yellow crooked neck is starting to play out. You know, it uses a lot of energy to make the squash, and it's finally starting to play out a little bit. The zucchini's still coming on pretty good, but they're not near as prolific as the yellow crooked neck. So, yeah, the extra 10 gallon of paint I got, I'll use to paint this little building here, that shipping container. That's a chicken house there, but I don't have any chickens this year. And 10 gallon ought to be plenty. The building's not that big. But it definitely has to be pressure washed to get that chalk off. There's my old John Deere 2030. It's running good. I just use it to mow. And yesterday I was out spraying herbicide with a little Yanmar. Of course, it runs like a top too. But yeah, squash, yellow crooked neck, they're about playing out, and I got no complaints. This thing definitely made some squash this year. We'll be picking more one day this weekend. Be some more zucchini to pick. Zucchinis are sneaky. And here's one right here. That's a good eating size right there. But Jurda likes them bigger. And she actually likes to basically bake them with all kinds of fillings in them. They are good that way, I can tell you. So, but yeah, my zucchini squash, they're looking real stout. But my whole yellow crooked neck, they're about played out. But we got some serious squash this year. And giving it away to anybody who wants some. Hell, I'm giving away people walking down the road in the morning. Giant squash. So we got blooms all over the zucchini. And got little baby zucchinis coming on. These things will sneak up on you. They're worse than a damn snake. You think you have them all, and you come down the next day, there's one that's a foot and a half long. They blend in real good. So anyway, I'm gonna get home and get this posted. Oh, it was only 95 degrees down here in northeast Texas today. It was hot. But that paint job is finally done. Alright, thank you.